Repeat after me. This is the year I'm going to be a voice actor. If you've ever wanted to start a voice acting career, but you didn't know where to begin, or maybe you've tried and you feel stuck, well, I've got something just for you. A year-long, step-by-step voiceover challenge designed to help beginners build skills, confidence, and momentum month by month. And hey, it's not just for beginners. Maybe you're someone who's dabbled in voice acting already. Maybe you do this at a pretty steady pace, part-time, even full-time, and you just want some more mentorship, some more tweaks to help you just keep moving forward and improving and expanding and growing. Well, stick around and learn about this because really there's something in this for everyone. My name is Amy. I have been a voice actor for over 15 years, and today I am inviting you to take the first step toward your voiceover goals with me. It is called the Voiceover Growth Challenge. And for 2026, guess what? It's completely free. Zip, zero, zilch, no dollars. We're going to start in January, and each month I'll post a video here on YouTube with between 1 to 3 really achievable challenges designed to grow your skills, improve your recordings, and kind of help you start building your voiceover business all at a pace that's beginner friendly. Now, each month we'll have a different area of focus so that by the time December rolls around, you'll have made a lot of little first steps, which, when put together, will have you confidently on the path to becoming a voice actor. You're going to learn things like how to warm up your voice effectively, how to record practice reels and scripts, how to find your niche and your voiceover style. We're going to get you to a point where you're going to send out some of your first auditions if that's not something you've done before. And of course, we're going to talk about setting up your home studio on a budget. Now, if you really want to take this challenge to another level, then you're going to want to sign up for the free, again, this is free, email component of it as well. By doing that, you're going to get expanded materials for each month. Things like worksheets, templates, scripts, trackers, and insider tips from my own career. Basically, a toolkit to make the challenge even easier and more actionable each and every month. We start this month. It is January 2026. It is completely free to do this with me this year. That's not going to be the case in future years, so really now is the time to try this program out at no cost to you. And hey, like I said, if you're already an established voice actor, you might get some ideas, inspiration, or insight to help you as well. Click the link down in the description to learn more about the Voiceover Growth Challenge, sign up, and be ready to launch with me very, very soon. And hey, if you are watching this video at any time in 2026, it is not too late for you to join. You can hop on board the challenge all throughout the year. It's not a sign up in January or you're out of luck kind of thing. You'll just join in wherever we are at on this year one challenge journey. So whether you're just curious about becoming a voice actor, or you're completely ready to jump in, or you've already gotten your feet wet and you want to make some forward progress, this is your chance to start building your voiceover career in a structured, supportive way. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to real progress. And together, we're going to make 2026 your voiceover launch year. As a reminder, there's nothing for you to do. The challenges will come out once a month here on YouTube. But if you want that extra added step, again for free, be sure to click the link down in the description to sign up for the email component where you're going to get some extra encouragement, extra tips, and those bonus materials. It's really a great addition to the challenge. And hey, if you're one of those people who's got a little bit of that self-doubt creeping in, like, am I really cut out to be a voice actor? Could I really do that on my own? Is my voice good enough? Listen, trust me, we have all been there. So if you want to get yourself an honest answer, well, I've put together 10 very real, sometimes very blunt questions to ask yourself about the voiceover industry to help you decide if this career just might be for you. And you can walk yourself through that self-quiz by watching this video right here, and I hope to see you in the Voiceover Growth Challenge.